Welcome to our exploration of Tranquil Scandinavian bathroom inspirations. The Scandinavian design style is renowned for its simplicity, functionality, and calming aesthetics, making it the perfect choice for a relaxing bathroom. Today, we'll share some delightful ideas to transform your bathroom into a serene spa-like retreat that you'll love. Chic serenity. Imagine a bathroom in soothing white and off-white tones. Incorporate a wooden stump for a natural touch and add potted greenery to bring life into the space. Built-in storage helps keep everything organized. Fresh hex tiles. Use white hex tiles with black grout for a fresh look. Pair these with light-colored wood accents and elegant pendant lamps to create a stylish yet inviting atmosphere. Natural materials. Consider a bathroom finish with concrete and gray tiles. Wooden stools and benches add warmth, making the space feel cozy and inviting. Nordic charm. A cute, neutral bathroom can have a Nordic feel with a basket for storage, a vintage mirror, and crisp white tiles. This combination creates a timeless and charming look. Touches of drama. Add drama with black touches against a neutral backdrop. Incorporate wooden elements, a jute rug, and a wire basket for a stylish yet functional space. Refreshing design. A refreshing bathroom can feature white walls, an oval tub, and a long white vanity. Complement the look with a jute rug for added texture. Potted plants. Use white and gray tiles for a modern touch. A basket for storage and potted plants help soften the space and introduce natural elements. Storage niches. In a serene Nordic bathroom, consider an oval tub with storage niches. A long vanity with a sink provides functionality, while potted greenery enhances the aesthetic. Marble elegance. Opt for gray marble tiles and a long vanity for a sophisticated look. Touches of black add contrast and depth to the overall design. Wooden accents. A serene bathroom with an oval tub can feature a wooden stool with hairpin legs. A black frame window allows natural light to flood the space. Natural light. Consider gray tiles paired with a white statement wall. Incorporate natural wood in your decor and a skylight to create a bright and airy environment. Speckled floor. A bathroom with a speckled floor and white tiles with black grout exudes a clean, modern feel. Pair it with wooden furniture for warmth. Cozy bathing. A serene white Nordic bathroom can have an oval bathtub and a wooden vanity. Add a cozy rug to make the space feel inviting. Compact comfort. A small Nordic bathroom can feature a wood tile floor, a white vanity, and an oval tub, complemented by potted greenery for a fresh touch. Lush accents. Consider a small Scandinavian bathroom with blush towels, a pink rug, and a vanity with a wooden top. These soft hues create a gentle, welcoming vibe. Stone and concrete. A welcoming neutral bathroom can use stone and concrete for a modern look. Add a tub and a striking chandelier for a touch of elegance. Vintage touches. Embrace vintage elements in your Scandinavian bathroom. A wooden vanity, fluffy towels, and a large window can fill the space with natural light. Minimalist beauty. A minimalist bathroom in white and off-white can have a tile-clad bathtub and niches for storage, maintaining a clean and uncluttered look. Mosaic floor. Use mosaic tiles on the floor of an off-white and gray bathroom. A tub and a large open shelving unit add both style and functionality. Light wood accents. Finish with a neutral bathroom featuring white tiles, a light-colored wooden vanity, and a pendant bulb to enhance the soft, serene atmosphere. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Tranquil Scandinavian bathroom inspirations. With these ideas, you can create a space that not only looks beautiful, but also invites relaxation and peace. Whether you prefer modern simplicity or rustic charm, there's a Scandinavian design that will suit your taste. Happy decorating!